Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find Netflix password even when you're logged in. So I will be just download this Netflix app on my iOS device and I will be just tap on it simply. So right now I will just not logged in because I will not purchase this premium offer like subscription. So Netflix not allowed without subscription you get logged in. So if you have logged in, so you will know that even you logged in and you will just show and see the password of Netflix. How will you find it? I will just show you. You will just move in your passwords app right over here and you will just unlock by your face or pass key. So you will just tap on simply this all. So these are the applications which you will have to logged in via the saved password options, and I will be just type on it Netflix. So right now I will just not logged in, but I will just show you the method how you just check your password even you will have logged in. So that's it. So in this way you will just find it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.